companies across every industry are looking for efficient solutions to accelerate product innovation, but also reduce costs associated with development, prototyping, and warranty. As part of the 3DEXPERIENCE Works portfolio, Simulia's Fluid Dynamics Engineer role offers secure, cloud-based solutions for exploring and validating fluid flow and thermal performance of product designs. Harnessing the power of CAD and PLM embedded simulation environments, designers and analysts can quickly explore alternatives at the concept phase and easily improve overall performance of legacy products, all within the unified, multidisciplinary, and collaborative user interface of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Users can launch the Fluid Dynamics Engineer role directly from SOLIDWORKS desktop applications to perform flow simulations on SOLIDWORKS geometry. From there, the simulation model created on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform can be updated in minutes when design changes are made in SOLIDWORKS. A guided user interface offers step-by-step navigation for designers and analysts, ensuring streamlined workflow and shorter learning curves. The Fluid Dynamics Engineer role brings comprehensive physics capabilities, validated for a broad spectrum of industrial applications. In this example, with the industry-standard turbulence model and intelligent near-wall treatment behind the scenes, we are able to define a simulation that can capture complex aerodynamic interactions between flow fields around each propeller and the resulting lift and drag on the drone assembly. While ensuring minimal user interaction, Hex-dominant mesh technology provides automatic fluid volume extraction and robust body-fitted meshing with boundary layers for accurately modeling flow physics over complex geometries. Additionally, very powerful mesh diagnostic tools are made available for advanced users. The cloud architecture offers scalability with compute capacity to execute large, complex simulations with very quick turnaround time, while eliminating expensive overhead of owning and maintaining in-house IT infrastructure. Leveraging the high-performance visualization engine, extremely insightful information about flow and thermal performance can be obtained to drive design improvement decisions. With the Fluid Dynamics Engineer role, companies can beat the competition by accelerating time to market, delivering innovative and high-quality products, reducing prototyping and warranty costs, and minimizing IT infrastructure overhead through secure cloud offering on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.